So I've previously reviewed already some of the devices when it comes to AI capabilities, and I think this device, it's kind of a continuation of it, because I think we live in a world of AI. So that means that I often have a lot of ideas, I'm a content creator, I have a lot of meetings, and let's be honest, like, I am not the one who likes to take notes during the meeting, and like, I often forget about that. And that's why I was very positively kind of surprised how the Plaud Note taker kind of works. So this is an AI note taker that allows you to record, transcribe, and summarize the notes using that AI voice recorder, AI note taker. This is a cool thing. I got it from Plaud. Thank you so much for sending this to me. And I think this is one of the cool devices which I think, you know, in 21st century, it's a must-have. So let me show you a little bit about it. Boom. So this is a manual, and inside we have this. Look at that. Okay, so this is a pretty cool device. It's very small, very sleek. Look how small it is. Actually, let me just take it off the foil. Then you're gonna see it proper, how small it is. Nice, right? So it has like a, I don't know, 3 millimeters maybe? So it's a very small. What else do we have in the box? So inside the box we also have this, I think cable, charging cable, yeah, right here. And you have this. So this is the cover to put it on your phone. So that means that if you have a MagSafe, you can just attach it to your phone, boom, and it just holds. If you don't have a MagSafe, and I'm glad that they're kind of prepared, you can use the magnet, which is right here. They attach the magnet to it, so you can just attach it to your cover or your phone directly. Probably better to your cover. And then you put it on here, you know, so you just slide it, look. Boom. That's nice. So to actually start recording, it's very simple. You just need to press and hold this button, and it will vibrate for a second, and now it is recording. So you can see this light kind of went orange, and at this moment it is actually recording. So I can just put it, you know, here, and my phone is obviously nearby because it's just moving that to my phone as well. And on my phone, when I open this, I can see that there is a live recording, you know, happening. And right now in that recording, I'm gonna talk about some decent stuff, like, you know, obviously we're talking about Plaud, and I'm reviewing some cool AI note taker. And I also want to mention that I have some other videos scheduled and I want to remember about them. And then we just press this again to just stop, and it'll vibrate for you. So it also has a voice recording, so that means that the phone call recordings. Now when I flip this, now I turn on the phone recording. So look, now if I press it, now it is recording the phone call. And now if I kind of call someone, it'll also listen to this, what the speaker says and the what you're obviously saying. And it'll divide it into speakers, so you know exactly what's going on. You're gonna see key takeaways and everything from it. And right after, you can see in your app your kind of theme of the conversation, like what did you talk about, the takeaways, you know, chapters and topics, and key points as well, and the whole explanation. The cool thing is that you can also ask AI about, hey, where did I talk about this? For example, if you have a longer kind of recording. I think that's pretty cool. And it has the subscription. So basically you get the starter when you buy a device, which gives you 300 monthly transcription minutes, but you can upgrade to Pro or Unlimited, which Pro gives you like 1,200, which is kind of 4 times more, for like almost 10 pounds, 8.5 pounds per month, or the unlimited one, so unlimited transcription for like 18 pounds, like 225 pounds per year. That is decent, especially if you're using it for a business. You know, if you're doing a lot of meetings, if you're having a lot of brainstorming, that is a great pricing for unlimited recording. I think it's a pretty cool device in general for everyone who maybe takes a lot of phone calls, who takes a lot of notes, brainstorm, and you can actually see all your kind of templates and transcription here. You can also set up the private cloud sync, so if you have, for example, more devices, you can connect them all with that. So I think it is a very, very interesting device, which is just making it kind of accessible and making it the AI available to anyone. Obviously, it's using the Plaud intelligence, which is using the AI like ChatGPT, Claude, and all of them combined. You can also choose the model, or you can use the auto, which is that Plaud intelligence. Pretty cool, right? So if you like it, you know what to do. Just go to the description of this video and click in the link to learn more. And if you like those videos, you know what to do. Hit that like and subscribe so you're up to date with everything what's going on, and we'll bring you more cool tech to this channel. Take care!
MadTechTalk, tech so fly, breaking down gear, let's amplify. Sub like, don't miss a thing. Tech reviews with a little bling. We out for now, but stay tuned. More fire tech is dropping soon.